Islam gave women right to educate, legal independence, and financial rights. In those times, in Europe, women were burned alive for having great knowledge than men. And they were called as witches. And in these days, that W is being replaced by a B. That's all happened. I'm talking about in Saudi Arabia itself, girl babies were buried alive just because she was a girl. But Islam stood against it. And you are from that Islam, so don't you dare to lock yourself inside the house and call it as modesty. Like I told you before the word feminism even came into existence, Islam stood for women's rights. Islam gave voice to women. Islam protected women. Islam didn't say lock yourself inside the house, that's what modesty is, then only you're going to enter Jannah like that. Islam never said so. That's all just a culture. In Islam, husband cannot forbid a woman from working unless you have a legitimate Islamic reason. And that legitimate Islamic reason does not include your jealousy or insecurity or your male ego, like I don't like it, so she should not go to a job like that. It doesn't include all those stuff. Coming to the end, locking women inside the house doesn't just silence her, it suffocates an entire generation, and they know what they're exactly doing, and that's why they are still doing it. And this is political, this is economic, this is control. And the tragedy is they are all doing this in the name of Islam. They ban women from schools, jobs, public life, not because Islam told them, because educated women terrify them. A woman who can read, speak, think, earn is dangerous to their tribal system. That's why they are stopping this, not because Islam told them so, because Islam never said so. So locking women inside homes is not just locking women, it's locking entire generation to stupidity, because they know educating a woman means educating entire nation, and they dare not to do that because it is dangerous to their system. And those Taliban men, they don't rule with Quran, they rule with fear of being exposed, insecurity and male ego. To every woman watching this video, Taliban aren't scared of Islam, they are scared of you. Because the moment woman stands for herself, their entire kingdom falls apart. So share the truth, expose the lies, burn the hypocrisy. If they fear women so much, let's then give them a reason to. See you in the next video. Fi Aman Allah.